What if I told you your money could make more money, even while you sleep? That's the magic of compound interest. It's not just about what you save. It's about how your money grows over time. Compound interest means you earn interest on your savings, and then you earn interest on that interest, again and again. Here's a powerful example. If you start saving just $500 a month at age 20, and invest it at an average return of 10% per year, you'll have over $1,100,000 by the time you're 50, as you can see in this calculator. That's right, $500 a month turns into over $1 million. Now compare that to someone who starts at age 30 with the same $500 monthly. They'll end up with only around $383,000 by the time they are at age 50, as you can see in this calculator. That's a $700,000 difference, just because one person started 10 years earlier. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. This is the secret behind how ordinary people become millionaires. Not overnight, but over time, using compound interest. Want to try your own numbers? Download the free compound interest calculator in the description. The secret to wealth isn't saving more, it's starting early and staying consistent. Subscribe to my channel for more simple financial wisdom that builds your future.